What's up, folks? Science Morning Update, July 18th. Yesterday was quite a day. Overnight, dumped around 2 a.m. and didn't really look back. We dropped almost 100 points down to 31. Parked it at 43 and then opened about there, right there at 43. We've had a nice consolidation, 64 to 38, so just under 30 points. Singles were left open to 82, which is going to be an upside target. Kind of coincides right here, so that 82, 84 would be a great upside target. 89 could hold. We've had a lot of traffic in here, so, and then 5703, 04 pretty much cleans up this gap of singles. So that's typically what I look for on upwards. I think we had singles, way down there. Anyway, so we'll see. 31's right into my 32.27 zone. So that's held. We lose that, and then we look at downside. 21 is going to be pretty important on a closing basis. We close below that, and I think that that's going to really start to look at the downside. So I would assume they're gonna poke at that. 15, 12 would be your next level, and then we get into the 55 90s. So I would look at 93 to 88 as another level down. Upside again, I'm looking for cleaning up of singles. We'll see today if we have a consolidation day after that big move. Typically, that's what happens. 830 jobs number, so we'll see if that's a catalyst. I'm assuming with this consolidation, we're going to base here, and probably they're going to try to move it back up. That's just kind of my theory. I'm open to anything that happens. We'll have to see after that number. Pivot, 64, right below my magic green line, 66. We did close below the magic green line yesterday, so that's kind of interesting. It's held for quite a while. 56.96 R1, I do like that. 56.50, 82, or 57.50. I like these pivots today. 56.10, 78. Interesting that the 60-day, the two-month POC is at 55.32. And the monthly is at 38. So that's going to be a level to watch. And 24 is your 55, 24 is your S3. They're going to be really wide today because we had quite the move yesterday. So here's the grind up. As I said, I was kind of suspect of that high at 21. It just didn't act right when it went up there. And we dumped the next day. So again, this is going to be an interesting day. Whether they consolidate, try to rip it back up, or if we continue the drop down. And again, I don't know. Price action is going to tell us. We'll have to seek further notice. And there's your 56.38 is your POC for the 1 month. 56.45 is your R2. We're there now. So 56.45, 50 is really my over-under today. We spent a lot of time there yesterday, so that's going to be what I'm looking at. SPX, you have a hanging. I forgot, damn it. There's a huge cash gap. I need to shade that area. So basically yesterday's high to yesterday's close, or the day before. So it's going to be a double gap. So we'll see if they attack that. Euro, quite the run, parked it at 95, has retraced back a little bit. So we'll see if we railroad that or if that continues to go higher. Again, that jobs number is going to be fairly important. NVIDIA got smoked yesterday, but it's up 3 today. ES up 10, NASDAQ up 89, Dow down 34, and RTY down 3. Dow had a ripper yesterday. Everything else sold off. So it's something to keep in mind. Typically when that happens, I'm thinking, heavy rotation or flight to safety. So we will see today. Again, I wouldn't be surprised if they tried to run this back up. So as long as yesterday's lows hold, then I'm going to probably be looking upside. I have no reason to believe that we're in a massive correction here, or if we're going to continue down. But again, I'm open to anything. So if we lose yesterday's low, then I'm definitely looking at the downside. But as long as that holds, I'm looking up. Stay safe. I'll be in the room.